So we are going to make a lot of bad decisions today. Hello everyone. So today I have made the terrible decision of trying to remove my hair color. I have been making this bad decision for about a few days now. So far, I have done 2 vitamin C treatments on my hair, and I have done the baking soda method once. And surprisingly, it has lightened my hair up a lot. My hair used to be an ombre of purple to blue, and now there is no more purple in my hair, and just a very light blue everywhere. And my hair was pretty dark and pigmented when I started. There is definitely going to be a few color correction processes though. There is this really weird banding right here. If you guys can see, I can definitely see this weird band. It's more dramatic in person. The camera is not picking it up very well. I don't know how else it's gonna work. I don't know if the baking soda method is gonna remove any more hair color at all. Every time I've seen someone do the baking soda method, they don't have blue hair. And as most of you hair dyeing aficionados know, blue is one of the worst hair colors to get out of your hair. Blue and green. Because they never leave your hair. I'm not trying to get to blonde. My goal is to get to a very light mint color. So even the lightest pieces of my hair are still a little too dark for me. So when it comes to the baking soda method, there's not a lot of ingredients. What you'll need is some baking soda, obviously, Janitor shampoo, optional, not required, dish soap, purple shampoo, and Volume 10 developer. I've seen some people use Volume 20, but I don't want to dry out my hair that much, so I'm going to stick with Volume 10. There are 2 videos that I'm referencing this off of. One of them is from a YouTuber called Ask Aslan, and the other one is from a hairstylist who actually came up with this method. I will leave a video link to both of their videos down below in the description box. For bleach today, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Quick Blue, and my developer is going to be from Ion, level 30. Make sure that whatever bleach you are using, that you are following the directions. Every bleach is different. This is my mixtures right here. On this side we have our baking soda mixture, and on the other side we have our bleach mixture. I did 3 scoops of developer and 4 scoops. Sorry. I did 3 scoops of powdered bleach and then 4 scoops of developer. looks like. It is brassy and yellow. In person, it is a lot more orange and brassy than on camera. On camera, it looks like a shade, like a shade lighter. A shade and a half lighter, I would say, than it is in person. I think the baking soda method did lighten my hair a little bit. Wet hair looks darker than dry hair. So I'm pretty sure that when this is dry, it's going to be maybe half a shade to a shade lighter, which I knew was going to be the case. The baking soda method does really well on people who don't have blue or green hair. So there's that. But as I showed it previously in the photo before, my hair was very, very pigmented, and it's not as pigmented now. So at least we know it works to get a large amount of color out. So I'm thinking, as soon as my hair dries, I'm gonna let it dry naturally. I'm not gonna blow dry it or anything like that. I'm just gonna air dry it. So that might be the end of today, but definitely tomorrow morning. We'll see. I will be doing another bleaching. I'm gonna do volume 20 on the roots. Just because it is kind of brassy. Definitely not volume 30. I don't want to do volume 10. I think volume 20 would be good. Volume 10 for the ends of my hair, but with the bleach bath mixture. So I'll be definitely mixing in some dandruff shampoo into the hair. And yeah, that's pretty much what I think I'm going to do tomorrow. Or tonight, depending on how fast my hair air dries. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to that point right now.
Hey everyone, so for this part of the video I decided that it'd be best if I made it a voiceover. I'm just non-stop rambling in the next two scenes. So right here I'm just kind of showing that my hair is a lot brassier than what it was in the previous scene. So here I decided just to mix up a volume 20 mixture, but again, I don't even think that volume 20 was necessary, so I ended up diluting it with some dandruff shampoo. And then for the ends of my hair, I ended up making a volume 10 mixture and diluting that with some dandruff shampoo as well. I left it in my hair for about 45 minutes, and this is what the result was. As you can see, my roots are a very nice blonde color, very light, very little yellow in it, and the ends of my hair are a nice pale mint color. When I was applying the bleach, I applied my bleach like I did in the first half of the video, where I started from the bottom of my hair and I worked my way up, and as soon as I felt like I had enough bleach on top of my head, that's when I applied it to the ends. So overall, the bleach was probably on my ends for maybe 10-15 minutes, and yeah, it turned out really well. There wasn't a lot of damage to my hair didn't feel super stringy, I didn't even lose that much hair. So yeah, overall I was very happy with the process. So what do you guys think? Have you guys tried the baking soda hair removal method before? This is my second time trying it on this video. I think it works well if you don't have blue hair, at least from what I've seen from other people using it. But yeah, maybe for other colors, I might try it out in the future. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, especially if you want to see what I did with my hair. So yeah guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.